Have you ever been tripped before? That tour was a terrible trip for you. Let me know in the comment section, because today we are going to recreating the latest Hollywood movie Bad Trip title animation in After Effects without any third-party plugins. I'm going to teach you how to recreate the title animation in After Effects. We are not using any other third-party plugins. We are just using our After Effects settings. That's it. Hey there, Pete here. Today I come up with another Saturday special video. Yesterday I was watching latest trailers. Unfortunately I saw the Bad Trip trailer. It's kind of funny trailer. You head over to YouTube and then search Bad Trip trailer. You watch, it's kind of funny trailer. I saw that one. After that I was decided I need to make Bad Trip title animation in After Effects, and here we go. Here the tutorial. Let's roll the video. I will show you how we can exactly recreate this title animation in After Effects inside of After Effects. We are not using Photoshop also, we are using only After Effects, and we are not using any of the third-party plugins. So I'm gonna show you in the beginning what we want to create in the first. So we need to make our base ready. Here we have Bad Trip, this is the title, this is the base, and then the red band trailer. After that I'm going to create that one. After that I started animating. That is the process. And then for that I'm gonna create, I'm gonna move all this. I don't want to mess up anything. I'm gonna move this one BD2. okay, that's fine. I'm gonna create new composition, call this one as a Bad Trip anim. That's enough. And come here and then type it as 19201080 and 30 fps, and then maybe in this case I don't want that it's 10 seconds. I want only 5 seconds. It's a very quick animation. It's only 1 second or 2 seconds animation. Click OK. So here we go, we are in composition right now. And right click, go to new, and then select text tool, and then type all in caps Bad Trip. There we go, we have. I'm gonna make this one as 170% of size, and then click OK and press enter, not click OK. Well, we're gonna select this one, and then make sure we are in center. I'm gonna select my move tool. So now this time I'm going to use shortcut keys. It's a very useful. If you saw in the previous videos, I didn't use the shortcut keys because I went manually and then I selected, because you need to understand how the tools works. In this case I'm gonna using shortcut keys. So if you hold down Control Alt and press home button, voila, see, it's automatically it's automatically went to the center point of our text. So we need to make sure this one you need on center. For that, press on Control and then press home button. So now voila, we are in center now. It's only 2 clicks. Okay, well, we got Bad Trip. So in this case, if in the original title animation we have different 2 colors in that. If you saw that one, this is white color, and then there is an 2 different variations, very colors in this. And if you saw the trip one, there is 2 different colors there. How we can achieve that exactly? I'm gonna click on this one and then go to the text tool and then remove trip. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate that and then come here and then type trip. And if you come to home, press space bar until it fits exactly the same position. So this is the position there. Okay, I'm gonna press in somewhere here. So now we are deselected. Okay, I'm gonna go to my move tool and then see here we got our text Bad Trip, and then it's exactly. And then I'm gonna talk a little bit about this text layer here. So this is 170% size I used, and then I went this one side tracking minus up to 52. See, I want the little bit very near all the text. So for that I went with a minus 52%, and then rest are okay. I'm using Montserrat font. It's a bold italic. You're gonna choose italic bold, and then click on this one, we'll get extra boldness there. And then if you did all these things, then we are good to go. Well, we have here bad, so I'm gonna change this color. I'm gonna come here and then type here 200, and then we are here now. It's a blue color. If you want, you can go with the manually here. If you press this one, and then you can drag and drop. Not drag and drop. You can just scrub this one. You'll get exactly the same color where you want. So I'm gonna leave it here, somewhere around here, 106 or 100 somewhere around. Don't matter where it is. You can choose any of these color. I'm gonna make this one. Make sure select this one and then come up to here, slight blue. There's a slight blue. If you press on OK, and then if you zoom that one, there's a little bit of tint of that blue color. Okay, well, we are good to go now. And then I'll go to the trip layer and then press Control and space bar. If you don't know what it is, so this is the latest Video Copilot console plugin. Yeah, it's a console, I think. Yeah, console. If you go and search on the internet Video Copilot console, you will get the file. It's a totally free, and then you can use in After Effects. So it's a little more quick way to choose our effects. For that shortcut key, Control and spacebar, I'm gonna get my console plugin, and then I'm gonna press my here, and then go to ramp. Just type on ramp. There's a gradient ramp, and drag and drop that gradient ramp to our trip layer. So here we got our options. In the first layer, we're gonna select this one somewhere around pink color here, somewhere around here. Press on OK, and then come here in the second layer, select our red color, a little bit dark side. Press OK, and then we got this one, but this is not enough. If you zoom out, there is a point, you can see that. You just click and then drag it up to here, then you can select that one, and then you can drag it up to here, and then a little bit zoom that one. See, now we got amazing texture in that. So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave this one somewhere around here, there. Okay, somewhere around there. Yeah, now it's good. If you compare it with the original title and this one, it's both exactly similar. Okay, well, we got our bad trip and our two text layers with the individuals, and then I'm gonna create one more text layer. I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna type this one, red band. What was that? Red band trailer. So I'm gonna type red band trailer. Okay, we got our red band trailer, and then somewhere around here on the text tool, press Control A and select all. Make sure we need to reduce the size, make it to 115th, somewhere around there. It's pretty good now. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out, so make sure this is on center. We need to align that. I'm gonna press Control Alt and Home. It came to the center point, and I'm gonna make sure one more time, Control and press Home button, and then we got here, and then I'm gonna shift this one in the on the bottom here. For now, this is fine here. So we need to change our color as well. I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna select this one, full red color, somewhere around here, little bit of dark side. Click OK. So well, we got our text is same length, same tracking options and everything. We need to change only the text size of the text. That's it. So once we got, that's okay. And then if you go to the what is that rounded rectangular tool, if you hold on for a second, click and hold for a second, there's a rounded rectangle tool. I'm gonna select that one, and then if you come here, and then from here, that much, okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna shift this one a little bit, make sure that is exactly on center. Okay, I'm gonna talk about a little bit this one. So here, if you, in your case, it's a little bit different. It's the automatically selected fill option. If you something like that you will get. So for that, if you go to the fill and then select this one, none, and then press on OK, and then we come to stroke, select our stroke and then press OK. Make sure the stroke color as well, stroke color also the right color, and then stroke size is 13%, and then click on somewhere around here. I think I need to move a little bit upside. Yes, okay, that's pretty good now. So well, we got our base now. Okay, well, this both is looking good. What I'll do, I'm gonna select this both red band trailer and this stroke layer, and then right click, pre-comp, and I'm gonna call red band trailer. That's enough. Whatever you want, you can call that. Nothing, no matter. Okay, well, I'm gonna pre-comp this one also. Go and then click on then type trip. This is like a template when you're editing your, if you want to change any of the name, you can go inside and you can change the name. For that, I'm gonna making pre-comp of that one. I'm gonna type this one as a bad, press OK. Well, that's pretty good. On the next step, if you go to the red banded trailer, okay, spelling is correct. I thought it's something wrong with the red banded trailer spelling. I'm gonna open this one, go to transform, and then go to the rotation tool, make it -5, and that's pretty good. But we need a little bit, we need to shift this one a little bit upwards, somewhere around there. Yeah, that's good. Nothing changed. Afterwards we need to shift all entire text a little bit upside, because it's not exactly on center. If you saw here, there's so much gap in there. We don't want that much gap in there. For that, I'm gonna shift this one up a little bit upside. Okay, well, we got our base ready. Now we're gonna, if you saw the original trailer text animation, there's a little bit of text grunge they have on the text and on the border as well. So for that, I'm gonna right click, go to new, and then I'm gonna select solid color, make this one as the map, and 1920, that's fine. Pixels, color pixels, and then background color is black. Click OK, and select this one, control space bar, and then turbulence noise. There you go, there it is. I'm gonna select that one, so we got like this amazing turbulence noise. I'm gonna fit this one for a second now, and then if you go to our contrast, increase a little bit of contrast in there, and then brightness, okay, brightness is somewhere around -21. One more tip, do not follow my values, try to experiment on that one. You will understand how the tools are working. So I'm gonna go with that roughly. Okay, well, that's pretty good. I'm gonna hide this one for a second. Okay, let's turn on that one. If you go to the red banded trailer, and then click on switch toggle, and then go to our track matte, and then Luma matte. Just click on Luma matte. See here, voila, we got our something grunge effect is going on, something is going on, but it's not that pretty good, but this is a good start. So I'm gonna go to my map layer, and I'm gonna press on control, go to our effects on presets, and then search for levels. That's how we can control our black points and white points, and then drag and drop our levels here. And then what I will do, I'm gonna play with this one. I'm gonna go with exactly where is the exact point I want. I want a little bit of grunge on the edges, and somewhere around here, something like that. Not much. This is not like grunge effect, something like some black paint. We did some paint on the black here, so I don't want that one. I'm gonna play with these settings. Okay, that's fine. If I go to the black side a little bit, okay, somewhere around here, and then if you go to this one, Okay, here we are getting actually. So we got something like that. You can play with these settings as well. If you go to the contrast, and then if you go to the brightness, okay, the evolution, we don't want that. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna play with the levels now. Okay, we are getting actually here. See, if you zoom that one, there's this nice grunge right there. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there, that one. Okay. Well, somewhere around that part. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, something happened. I'm gonna undo that. One more time, undo. Yes, somewhere. I think this is pretty good. I'm gonna go a little bit, not much. I'm gonna increase this one. Okay, we got that one. I think somewhere around there. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that one. So well, this is done. Once we're done with that one, play with these values, only these values, and I'm gonna select this both layer and then right click and then go to pre-comp, and then this is our red band trailer, and then click on OK. So we got our red band trailer and base, everything is ready. So now we need glitch effect for this bad, only for this bad. Before that, I'm gonna select this bad, go inside and then go to transform tool. I'm gonna trim this one. Now we have up to 4 seconds. I'm gonna zoom out that. This animation is very quick, so I'm gonna go 1 second. I'm gonna trim this one up to here. I don't want much because this is very quick. And then go to my bad, open that, and then go to opacity. Make sure in the first frame 0, go on frame forward and then make it 100%, and then go one for randomly, go up to 4 frames and then activate keyframe and then go 1 frame, make sure that is on 0, go 1 frame again, make it 100%, and then go 3, 4, 5 frames, something like that for randomly. Activate on keyframe, go 1 frame and then make sure that is 0, go 1 frame again, make it 100%, and then go like 1 or 4, 5, 6, 7 frames, something like that, random. It's a very random. And then I'm gonna activate 1 more keyframe and then go 1 frame again, make sure that is 0. You can give 2 frames here if you want, and that's what we got. And then I'm gonna go one more time, 4 or 5 frames. I'm gonna activate 1 more keyframe, go 1 more frame, and then make sure that it's 0. Yes, that's right. And then go on other 2 frames. Okay, let me play this one. What we got? So we got like that. That's something like flickering. What the hell is that? Flickering. That's flickering. I'm gonna select those keyframes and then right click, go to keyframe assistance and easy ease. That will play a little bit smoother in there. I'm gonna play that one. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that one. And then I'm gonna go to, okay, well, we done our little bit of flickering in there. So we need glitch for this bad. So for that, I already downloaded glitch effect in some website, so that is here. So if you play that one, so if you go to the mix kit, MIXKIT, just type mix kit on Google, you will get a website. Open the first website and go on search bar. Go to search bar and type glitch, and he will get exactly the same glitch effect. You can download that one. It's a free, it's an open source website. They don't charge anything. You can download some of the presets also. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. They are not sponsoring to me. It's just sponsored by me. Well, I have this glitch effect. I'm gonna come to my composition, and then I'm gonna drag and drop this one into my comp, and make sure turn up this one. We don't want that. So well, I'm gonna go to my bed, go to the FX, and then go to our effects and preset search bar, and then type displacement map. Okay, here this is a very interesting part. I'm gonna select this one here, displacement map layer. Go select this glitch effect here, and then I'm going to select this one, effects and masks, and then make sure if you play around this one, see it's already glitch is affecting. I don't want now. I'm gonna make this one as 0, and if I go to the beginning, come to one frame forward, and then I'm gonna activate keyframes, and then okay, well, I'm gonna 2, 3, 4 frames, something like that. So choose how much glitch you want in here. Yeah, that's it, leave it, and then just play that one. See, we got glitch effect. Okay, the glitch is going very fast now because our glitch layer is a little bit faster. I'm gonna go and then right click and then go to the time, and then time stretch. I'm gonna stretch this one up to 200%. I'm gonna making this slower down, that one. Now it will go very slow, something like that. Now also it's very fast. Okay, well, I'm gonna move this part somewhere around here. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna make this one a little bit more stretch. I'm gonna go to time and then time stretch. I'm gonna make this one as a 300%. Press on OK. Let's play that one. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Not bad. I'm gonna, don't forget to save the project before you're hitting any of the keys. Okay, well, I'm happy with that one. You can download some other different glitches, and then you can play with that one. If you didn't know, in the first video, in After Effects first video, I made how to make glitch effect in After Effects. If you want, you can check it out that video. I made some amazing glitch effect in there. This is another one. Okay, well, we got our base, we got our animation, bad animation also, and now we need to animate our red banded trailer. For that, I'm gonna select my red banded trailer, and I'm gonna come somewhere around here. Okay, I'm gonna open here, go to the transform, and then go to scale and position. We are animating scale and position, and then click this one and then press U button. We will get our, go a little bit forward, move this keyframes a little bit forward, and now scale this one and then shift upside, change the position. Okay, again scale a lot and then shift that position somewhere on here. I'm gonna zoom out this one. Let me see what's going on in the scene. Scale more up to that much, change the position somewhere around there. That's pretty good. If you play that one, I know this is looking very bad. So if you come here and then go and then click here, you will get something arrow like that, and you can just trim that one, so we won't get in the beginning of that. If you play that one, okay, it's going very quick. Okay, extend a little bit frames. Okay, that's pretty good. What I will do before that, I'm gonna select these keyframes, those keyframes, not this. Right click, keyframe assistance, and then make that one easy ease. Now we will get a little bit of smooth animation like that. Okay, well, I like that one. It's pretty good. Okay, the glitch is going very fast, I think. I'm feeling like. Okay, let me fix that one. If you play that one, okay, we got amazing animation right now. Okay, well, we have a little bit work in them. If you go to the toggle switch and then make sure we are turn on the motion blur and then click here, voila, now we see what will happen. See, we got amazing something like that blur effect in there. See there, if you saw that, that's pretty good, lovely. I like that one. Okay, let me fix this one. I'm going to bad and then press on U and then go to the values here. Okay, this values is too much. I'm gonna reduce these values. Okay, let me play that one. Okay, this is very slow now. That's gonna be weird, you know. I'm gonna increase a little bit of this side. Okay, let me reduce that one. Here, make it like 18%, 18 points, something like that. And then let's play that one. Okay, that's pretty good, looking good, lovely. Yeah, we're done. That's it, we're done. We need to do only one thing. Okay, everything is looking good. Okay, I'm gonna select all these layers. I'm gonna okay, well, don't do anything, just select all these layers, right click and then go to pre-comp, main, press OK. Now we have one layer. We didn't affect any of the effects. If you change, I'm gonna shift this one a little bit upwards like that, 1 or 2 3 frame 2 3 points. Now we have exactly the full alignment. It's the full up display. I'm gonna fit this one. Now we have like that. If I play that one, yeah, that's pretty good, not that bad. Okay, well, today I'm gonna show you how to export this one. So once you select your composition, come here, composition, and then go to our add to render queue, and then go to best settings, and then this is nothing, just leave it, press OK, and then go to losses, and then here select AVI, select that one, AVI, make sure that it's AVI. If you want alpha channel, if you want somewhere around small, something like that in the corner or lower third, you'll go with the RGB plus alpha. You will get exactly alpha file in video file. You don't need to export as a PNG sequence or any other sequences. This is very cool, amazing options, AVI. And if you want, you can select RGB plus alpha, and then if you go to the format options, make sure that is on none, do not select any of the codecs, and then just press OK, and then don't touch anything. It's a free multimeter, and then just press OK, and then this is the output path. Just click on output path, and then if you go to go and choose your folder for this one, battery here. I'm gonna go to my projects, and then I'm gonna go to AE, and then there is a folder. I'm gonna call this one has render, and select that one. If you want, you can choose subfolder as well, but I don't want the subfolder in this case right now. I'm just gonna press save and then hit the render button. That's it. Voila, you're done. So it's exporting right there. That's it for Saturday special video, and thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and share if you like it. Until next, I will see you later. I'm gonna come up with another title animation on next Saturday. Bye bye.